for at least a month, or at least we're supposed to be stuck at home for at least a month. Clearly that's not the case. But anyway, we're all bored out of our minds with nothing to do, but we can tie-dye. And tie-dye is actually still available on Amazon, unlike toilet paper. Like, what? Without further ado, let's get into it. So I went through my drawers and I found all the light colored shirts that I can, and I'm gonna try and tie-dye them today. Bought this kit on Amazon. I bought it because I really like the colors, but it also comes with rubber bands, which is great because we don't have any. Let's go ahead and open it. Trash. So these are the directions, and now we're going to fill these up with water until the line. Once you've mixed your dye, and put on gloves because this stuff stains, let me tell you, it is finally time to start the tie-dyeing process. So you take your shirts, and then you just pick which ones you want, because I don't think I'm gonna do all of these. That would be a lot, to say the least. And you're just going to start rubber banding them. These are the 3 shirts that I've picked out to use, and I'm going to use the crinkle method. And I found that this technique is going to give the pattern that I want to accomplish the most. Before you start wrapping the shirts with rubber bands, you actually have to wet them first so that the dye will sink into the shirt. And this is a very important step. If you don't do this, it's not going to work, and then you're gonna have to start all over. So I'm gonna be starting with this one. This is Popular Poison, which is my friend Leah's dad's brand. It's really cute. Perfect for tie-dyeing. Then I'm just gonna submerge it in water. I think you want it to be damp, so not wet. Also, make sure that you do this with a play mat or something that you don't mind getting dirty. I think we're good. I'm just starting by laying out the shirt, and then using the crinkle method, I'm going to be scrunching it. I've scrunched it, just secure it with rubber bands. So I'm going to start with just pink dye all over and just try to arrange it kind of randomly. I'm done with this shirt. This next shirt that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using the spiral method, and I'm going to do pink, blue, and yellow. Pinch in the middle, and then just twist it. It's so hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go yellow, pink, blue, and I had to take a rubber band out so that it's evenly spaced, but for each triangle I'm going to put a different color.
Oh, did you dampen it?
We forgot to put water on it. Oh my god. We spent all this time. I'm just dampening it. I put as many rubber bands as I have colors. Start with the lightest color. Even if they've completely submerged it, it still looks tie-dye because the color can't reach the middle. I'm excited. I'm done with this one. So for the 3rd t-shirt, I'm going to try and replicate this pattern, but instead of red and blue, I'm going to be doing pink and purple because I think that could be really cute, or I might do pink and blue. I think I'm gonna do pink and purple though, because that means it ain't purple, you know, we gotta mix it up. Look, she's wearing kind of a sweatshirt around her waist.
Very tie-dye. Ooh.
What should I do first? Oh right, dump it in the frickin' water. Stop. So that is it for the tie-dyeing portion of the video. I'm going to let these sit. So I'll see you tomorrow when we're going to take these out and then run them in the wash and see how we like them. Big shout out to my friends who I was supposed to do this with before the coronavirus happened. Rowan, Izzy, and happy birthday, Rowan, even though it's not gonna be your birthday when this comes out, but today it is, so happy birthday! They're definitely not dry, but it is 4 hours later, but I am impatient. So I'm going to try opening one and seeing how it looks, and then I'm going to try and rinse it out, put it in the washer, and see if all the color comes out. And if it doesn't, then I'm going to do all the other ones. Wow, this turned out so good. It was so much fun to make, and I'm happy that it turned out good because now I can have a cute thumbnail. But I'm gonna go throw it in the wash. So after putting the first shirt in the wash, we realized that the colors did keep. So now we're gonna go ahead and undo these shirts and put them in the wash as well. Ooh.
When the clock hits 13, sing 1, 2, 3, 4. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly did. It was so much fun to make, and you'll probably be seeing more tie-dye videos in the future, considering I literally want to tie-dye everything now. But if you enjoyed, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below. Also, comment any videos you want to see me make in the future, and I'll try to make some of them. See you guys next week. Bye, guys. Mwah.